Today we'll be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 266 different strategies, with 82 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 155 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,004 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says how to make money trading Forex and crypto, stop looking for a job. And so obviously quite a claim there, and we're going to put the strategy to the test and see what we can actually get out of it. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the envelope multi-type, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that, add it to the screen, and we're going to jump into the settings on this one. And under the cycle period right here, you're going to change that to 19. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Dongchen trend ribbon indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that, add it to the screen, and again we're going to jump into the settings of this one as well. And under the period, you're going to change it to 145. Go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is when price action breaks down below the middle line of the envelope indicator. And once it breaks down below that middle line, we're then going to look down to the Dongchen trend ribbon, and we want it to be in the red color with red bars like this here. Once those line up like so, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short trade. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this swing here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. And right here we make this spike to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is when the envelope indicator breaks above, or the price action breaks above the middle line of the envelope indicator like this right here. When it makes that break, we're then going to look down to the trend ribbon, and we want it to have the green bars like this here. Once those line up like so, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. We're going to put a trade right there, our stop just right below the swing, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. And again, we make this spike to the upside right here, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades, putting it at a 32% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,600 for an overall loss of $4,000 altogether. So definitely don't quit your day job. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 44 trades altogether. We had 39 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at an 88% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $23,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $3,900 for an overall gain of $19,500 altogether during the same period of time. And so significantly better results. Now, still wouldn't quit your day job though, just in case. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex Indicator signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we did 3 trades altogether, 3 winning trades, a 100% win rate. Would have been a gain of $1,800. On the crypto coin, we did 2 trades, 1 winning, 1 losing, a 50% win rate, and would have been a drawdown of $300. For the week total, we would have been up $1,500, and at the 25-week total now, we would have been up $39,760 over 197 trades. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex Indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.